Mastering idioms. Make a rapid exit. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, make a rapid exit. This idiom might sound straightforward, but it has some interesting nuances. So, let's dive in and find out what it really means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Make a rapid exit is an idiom that means to leave a place quickly. It's often used in situations where someone wants to avoid something or someone. The word rapid emphasizes the speed of the exit, suggesting that it's done swiftly and suddenly. This phrase can be used in various contexts. For example, 1. Social situations. If someone feels uncomfortable at a party, they might make a rapid exit to avoid further awkwardness. 2. Professional scenarios. In a meeting that's going poorly, a person might make a rapid exit right after it ends to avoid further discussions. 3. In literature or movies, characters often make a rapid exit to escape danger or to show their disapproval. Let's look at some examples. 1. Avoiding discomfort. As soon as the topic of politics came up, I made a rapid exit. 2. Escaping danger. The moment she heard the strange noise, she made a rapid exit from the building. 3. In a hurry. He made a rapid exit after the meeting to catch his flight. Be careful not to confuse make a rapid exit with simply leaving a place. The phrase implies urgency and a specific reason for leaving quickly. It's not used for ordinary departures. And that's a wrap on make a rapid exit. Remember, idioms like this add color to our language and help us express ourselves more vividly. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll be using English idioms like a native in no time. See you in our next video.